Greetings, engineering professionals and industry partners. Today, we're thrilled to showcase our custom-engineered semi-automatic aluminum tube bending machine, a precision tool developed exclusively based on our clients' product blueprints and application requirements. Designed for versatility, this machine excels in bending a range of tubular materials, including copper, aluminum alloys, and stainless steel tubes, delivering consistent accuracy across diverse workpieces. What sets it apart is its modular die configuration system. By swapping out specialized dies, it seamlessly accommodates irregular bending angles, custom radii, and complex tube geometries, all with rapid, tool-free die changes that minimize downtime and boost production efficiency. Crafted to meet the rigorous demands of key industries, the high-precision bent tubes produced by this equipment are widely integrated into refrigeration systems, hydraulic pneumatic oil circuits, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning assemblies. Whether for mass production or custom component manufacturing, this machine balances flexibility, reliability, and precision to drive operational excellence for our clients. Experience the power of tailored engineering. This isn't just a bending machine, it's a solution engineered to turn your design specifications into high-quality, production-ready components.